Hey everyone, Bitcoin and Cryptocurrency Academy with Charlene Savage. Today I'm going to share with you Bitcoin's 210,000% growth. So what we see on the screen right now is Bitcoin's historical corrections. And as you can see, we've got the dates from January 2012 right through to August 2018. You'll see the green column here is otherwise known as the Bitcoin high price or the bull run, the bull market. On the yellow column, you will see the Bitcoin low price, otherwise known as the bear market. So that's what we're going to focus on today for the purposes of this recording, a Bitcoin low price. So if you were to purchase 10 Bitcoin in January 2012 at $3.80, it would have cost you $38. So as you can see, Bitcoin has increased over time. It does fluctuate, and it had the biggest decline of minus 87% from $11.63 all the way down to $152.40. Now, a lot of people were discouraged in the industry. They left, they didn't think it was really going anywhere, but then it regained its threshold, and then it doubled, and then it doubled again, and then it doubled again. And then what happened here in December 2017 really got the market all excited and interested. Now that 19,666 US dollars really wasn't real. It was driven by market interest rather than market true value. So now we see it eased back down to the time of this recording around 6,000 to 7,000 US dollars. And so this is what happens in the industry with Bitcoin. Bitcoin does fluctuate. It really does. And so some numbers for you. So if you would have purchased the 10 Bitcoin, like I mentioned before, it would have cost you $38 in January 2012 in 6 years. And then the growth through to August 2018, it would have cost you 10 Bitcoin, $71,000. That is a 210,000% growth. So when anyone says, have you recovered from Bitcoin peaking almost at 20,000 in December 2017? Recovered from what? This is the statistics. If you put that in a calculator, you're going to get that. That is the actual results there. So that is the growth. So please understand that Bitcoin will fluctuate, and Bitcoin has had a phenomenal 210,000% growth. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel below. Please click on the links below if you want to know more about how you can acquire Bitcoin. And I do Bitcoin through mining it. This is Charlene Savage. Thank you for watching. Good night.